a director's chair. So let's get started. So we take these sticks we place another stick onto the first one like this and put it down. Another stick on the other edge and that goes down too. Then we take the fourth purple stick and join it like this. Make sure the end of the sticks are open like this. Alright, so that's the base. Now we're gonna make the legs of the chair. So we take one stick and place it here like this. Then we take another stick and attach it here like this. Then the third one and the fourth one. Now we're gonna take different colored pipes and place them here. So in order to do that, first we're gonna join the legs. Like this. Make sure it's steady. Press it real nice. Then flip it to the other side. And we take another stick and place it over these two. And press. Make sure it's attached to the neck and not to the end. Now we're going to make the seat. So we can put it like this so that we have enough space to put our sticks right here. Now we're going to attach the other edges of these colored pipes to this yellow pipe. Let's try doing it. So maybe we take this out first. And place the yellow stick over the end like this. Attach all the pipes to the yellow pipe like this. One at a time. And yeah, that goes here. So now we are going to attach the legs to the yellow stick here. Like this. And the other one. Right here. So the seat of the chair is ready. Now we're gonna make the backrest. we take a blue pipe and attach it like this. Another blue pipe goes on the other stick, like this. Make sure they're parallel to each other. So now we're gonna fill up the gap between these two sticks by other pipes. Let's go ahead and do it. In order to make it easier, let's attach the pipes to this one blue pipe first. Now we can place this other pipe, and now we can attach the other edges of all the pipes to this second blue pipe, like this. Four more to go. Let's do it one by one to keep it neat. So here's our director's chair. Would you like to have a seat? Wowkidz! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.